Amor and the Dancing Shoes. Saturday evening in the lane meant one thing: music. Bass rolled through the fences, bouncing from yard to yard. Somebody up the road had already started testing speakers. Every little pitney knew dance time a come. Amor stood by the gate, watching the older girls practice in Miss Tessa's yard. Their bodies moved easy, waist rolling, shoulders dipping, feet gliding across the dirt like the rhythm was pulling them. Yo, watch that one, ya! One girl said, dropping into a smooth dance move. The others cheered. Amor smiled but didn't move. She loved dancing, but every time she tried, it never quite connect. Too stiff, too early, too off. Go try no? Her cousin nudged. Amor stepped forward. The music hit. Boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom. She tried to follow, but her feet landed late. Her waist didn't catch the rhythm and everything felt off. A small laugh came from the side. Amor stepped back quick, cheeks burning. Masungom, she muttered, heading inside. Granny's back room was cool and quiet, filled with old things that smelled like time. Amor dropped onto a stool, sighing. That's when she noticed a pair of sneakers under the table. Plain, a little worn, but clean. She slipped them on. They fit perfectly. Amor stood up. The music outside drifted in through the window. Boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom. Her heel tapped. She paused. Then her body moved, natural, smooth. Her waistline caught the rhythm like it belonged there. Her shoulders rolled. Her feet glided. Amor's eyes widened. Wait! She stepped outside. The girls turned. Amor? Music dropped, and this time she caught it. Clean. Every beat, every bounce. She moved through the space like she'd been practicing for years. The yard erupted. Yo! Where you get them dance moves there from, girl? Amor, are you that, my friend? Amor laughed, heart racing. Finally, she was in it. That night, the lane was alive. Lights, music, laughter, and Amor danced through all of it, effortless, unstoppable. But later, when the music slowed, Amor tried to stop dancing. Her foot shifted, then again, then again. Her smile faded. All right, don't know. But her body didn't listen. Her feet kept moving. Her waist kept catching beats that weren't even there. Ah! She stepped back, but the movement followed. Faster now, too fast. Amor's chest tightened. She kicked off the sneakers and everything stopped, just like that. Silence. Only the soft hum of night. Amor stood still, breathing hard. She looked at the shoes on the ground, quiet, like nothing had happened. The next day, the music started again. The lane called her. Amor looked at the sneakers, then looked away. This time, she stepped out, barefoot. The rhythm dropped. Boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom. She waited, listened, felt it, then moved. Slow, a little off. She reset, then tried again. This time, closer. Her cousin nodded. Yeah, man, that much better. Amor smiled again and again until her waist caught the rhythm. By sunset, sweat ran down her face, but she was still going, still learning, still laughing. She glanced at the sneakers by the wall and left them right there. Because now she knew if you don't feel the rhythm for yourself, you don't really have it.